What's good with it, everybody? So, I'm back with another video, and this time I am going over GBPJPY, Great Britain pound against the Japanese yen. So let's dive straight into it. So I already marked up this chart. Okay, so it looked like they took it away, so I'm just gonna redo it again. All I was gonna have to do is just go forward, so it looked like they took it away, so it's okay. There's nothing to it but to do it again. So, all right, out back. We on a weekly time frame. I'm going from this resistance right here, and I'm looking for the next resistance. So I see this resistance before I see this resistance. So when I draw this trend line out like this, on my parallel channel out like this is basically what I see. And then what I do is I go here, I clone this line, boom, and just basically go to my support, and that's my support. I see now that basically if I'm looking at this is 0, that's 1, 2, 3. If I look at this area right here, that's 4, and then we still basically, you can easily use this to identify how you are still in a bearish channel. You know what I'm saying? This is a low, this is a high, this is a lower low, lower high. I mean, this is a even. You can see how they came even with each other, even lows. You know what I'm saying? This is not a high yet. Have to break this level or break out of this level. Not necessarily have to break this level in order for it to be bullish. You know what I'm saying? Because it could start breaking out and doing some bullish stuff over here, and then this could be either a target, and this can be more confirmation when it does break that, to hold your positions from down here to continue to let it push up. So but we not talking about the upside. We looking for some downwards move because we are in a bearish channel. Until we can break outside of this, then that's when we'll be looking for some type of upwards move. So I could clone this again, and basically I see that this area right here. Let me go to my line chart real quick. Let me zoom in. So I could literally see, let me make this a little bit smaller right here. Candlesticks, how we have, this is resistance. We tried to take out this level of resistance, but look how the market came right back underneath it, acted as resistance again, and ever since then it stayed underneath. So this is a resistance area. The resistance can be here. Most people will mark their resistance up here and stuff like that, but once you actually, what I'm saying, know what I know or learn from the right people, you will understand basically what I'm doing and why I say that this is my resistance, and my resistance is not like this or it's not like that. My resistance is literally here because it's showing me that we cannot violate this area. We broke above it, yes, cool. But if that was the case, if this was not gonna hold as a resistance, then the level, when it came right here, it should have just went right back up off of it. But it didn't. It went right back underneath it and did what it did previously, which was acted as resistance. And now you can see the resistance, resistance. Look how many times it tried to break, drop, tried to break, drop, trying to break. You know what I'm saying? It's trying to break it, but it can't for whatever reason. I don't know why. But to me, that's why I said I'm looking at this level as my resistance. So hopefully y'all got a little breakdown of that and why I'm looking at this level like that. So let's go to the daily time frame. Peep some stuff out. Okay, so let's see real quick. All right, so if I pull out my parallel channels again, I'm gonna turn this into the line chart, and most people would do this, right? They'll go right here, right? But how can you go from this high to this high when you got this high next? You know what I'm saying? So I will go just like this, you know, boom. That's my resistance. So now when I have this line like this, or this area marked up like this resistance, that's resistance. The market tried to break out, couldn't hold, so that's resistance. It tried to break out, couldn't hold, that's resistance. You know what I'm saying? And the market should act as resistance in this area again. So all I gotta literally do is boom, clone this line. Let me put my chart back on candlesticks so it won't confuse people. And now you see how we have support. That's all I need is those two taps and then extend this line. The market tried to break out, did not do it. It came back in the channel and held, and that's why, you know, it continued to go bullish. Okay, so I could extend this. So on the weekly time frame, sorry y'all. So on the weekly time frame, we know that we bearish. On the daily time frame, it's showing us that we was doing some type of bullish move back up to the upside. So if I know on a higher time frame it's telling me to sell, then that's what I'm going to do. On a daily time frame, I have to understand what's going on with this price so I can get the best entry on the daily time frame. So I see that on a weekly we should be selling. Well, if I'm at a daily resistance, that's a perfect opportunity for me to be selling. I don't want to be selling at no daily support. That means if I try to wait the GJ come all the way down here just to break this and do something like this, look how many pips look how much money I would miss. That's 2,000. That's over 2,000 and some pips. You know what I'm saying? If you got one standard, you know, I don't even look. I don't even want to go there. But anyway, I don't want to even talk about them. We marking up charts right now. So that's 2,000 pips that you will miss. That's no, you. I'm not doing it. You know what I'm saying? That's not and that's how people teach people, you know, wait for it to give you a confirmation and do this. You gonna miss 2,000 pips to wait for a confirmation to, man, don't do that. You know, so, like I said, on this time frame, I have in my mind that I want to look for a sale opportunity and I may sell now, or you know, I gotta go down to a few more time frames and stuff like that. But this is what I see on the daily time frame. And let's see real quick, 4 hour time frame. Let's check it out real quick. So oh, zoomed in a little bit too much. Okay, I want y'all to see something real quick. Wait, hours. Hours. Okay, peep game now. I'm about to get my parallel channels. Look at this. Yeah, I know I'm not trolling. I know I'm not trolling. Look at this. Look at this. Sell now. Sell now. Now. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's yeah, that I mean, bro, 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 look at that shit. That shit. I mean, excuse my language. I'm sorry. But yeah, that can be your first TP, second TP, third TP, fourth TP. Simple. Just that simple. And I know somebody may say, oh, but what about this right here? Like, to be honest with you, yeah, we broke above this level, right? But for whatever reason, if GJ decides to come down and retest this level right here like this and fall again, that means that this was a fake breakout. That was not a real move. That move happened to bait people in, to knock people out their sales before the actual banks and all those other people who know what's finna happen, is giving them an opportunity to get those entries from up here. Because they know, they understand what I'm basically trying to get y'all to understand, that this is a resistance area. Just because it went above it, that don't really mean it broke it. It's a real breakout until it retests and then continues to go off of it. That's when it's a true breakout. But just because the market actually breaks above that level, that does not mean that it's going to hold, because it can come right back underneath it and retest as resistance. And then if you look left across this line, all you see is resistance, resistance. So guess what? This was a fake move, and now price is acting as resistance. So I know GJ will fall. So this is my analysis for GJ. And honestly, y'all, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I have entries literally from when it actually, soon as it tapped this, I already entered. So I'm pretty sure I'm up in profit, good little profit right now. Um, let's see how many pips already that this is in profit real quick for y'all. Yeah, I'm already like 15 pips in profit. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it as I'm just sitting here on here with y'all. Look at it. Man, look. Look at it. Y'all just watch. I don't want to make this video too long, y'all, so I may not be able to do this, but y'all get the picture. Y'all see what's going on. I gotta post this for y'all. Sell GJ, and yeah, these areas that y'all see right here, those are the TPs. So if you need to go back and get those TPs, I'm gonna also mark right here where the stop loss should be at. I really want to mark 100 pips, but I'm not gonna do that. This is gonna be an 80 pip stop loss. I really feel like it should be a little bit more, but I'm not gonna do that because I know a lot of people probably can't be able to hold that. They probably want to be able to hold the 80 pips because a lot of people tend to over leverage. But it's okay. Everybody, you go through your experiences and you learn, so you only gonna get better. You only gonna get better and better and better. That's how I'm able to see this stuff. I'm only getting better and better and better and better. So don't beat yourself up about it. Keep your head high, and I wish everybody the best of luck on this trade. Peace. I'll keep y'all updated.